I just had this beautiful omelette here at Cafe Craze. And now let's see what's going on at the sanctuary. Let's go together. It's again very hot, 30-40 degrees today here in Medjugorje. And let's move and see what's happening at St. James Church. See Our Lady. Always you can come to Our Lady in the heat, at night, 24 hours a day, wherever you are. You know, it hasn't to be here. It can be everywhere. Here you can offer your masses for your loved ones. You go up the stairs where the lady is going. Over here. And then we will go over here now and check out what is going on here. This could be the super nun. I will check out, but I think it is the super nun. I'll show you where you can get cash if you need an ATM machine. That's the super nun. Hello, super nun. You're good? Nice to see you. Ciao. Here's the ATM machine. It's over here. You can have the ATM. Good rates. I would say you can go to this bank. And then, as I said, over there is the masses. If you want to do holy masses, you can do them there. And we will go on now. Over here you can buy books. That's the bookshop and souvenirs, good quality. The Franciscans bookshop, the official store by the Franciscans. If you want to see the masses of the day, you can do that here. You know, you see that here on the TV screen. And I go to the chapel now, Adoration Chapel. There should be Spanish Mass there. Let's check it together. It should be in there. This is my favorite nun. She's a saint. Here you have burritos. It's a nice place to have breakfast or lunch. And now here we have normally the Spanish Mass going on. There you have St. James Church in the back, over here. The outside altar is over here. And I will go now to the Spanish Mass.